Welcome to the Royal Plate, where we turn everyday dishes into royal feasts. Today, we're diving into the art of making a gourmet grilled cheese sandwich that's sure to elevate your taste buds. Whether you're cooking for yourself or impressing guests, this step-by-step guide will help you create a golden, cheesy masterpiece. Why grilled cheese? Grilled cheese is the ultimate comfort food, but with a gourmet twist, it becomes a luxurious treat. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a cozy dinner. This recipe is packed with flavor, texture, and style. Ingredients for the perfect gourmet grilled cheese that'll make this sandwich truly exceptional. You'll need artisan bread like sourdough or brioche for a rich, soft texture, high-quality cheese, a mix of Gruyere, sharp cheddar, and mozzarella for the ultimate melt, butter and salted. For that perfect golden crust, optional add-ons: caramelized onions, crispy bacon, fresh arugula, or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Step-by-step guide to grilled cheese perfection. 1. Prep your bread and cheese. Slice your artisan bread evenly and generously butter one side of each slice. Grate your cheeses for a perfectly even melt. 2. Heat your pan. Use a non-stick skillet over medium heat to ensure the sandwich cooks evenly without burning. 3. Assemble your sandwich. Place one slice of bread, buttered side down, in the skillet. Add a generous layer of cheese, and if desired, layer extras like caramelized onions or bacon. Top with the second slice of bread, buttered side up. 4. Cook to golden perfection. Cook the sandwich for 3-4 minutes on each side, pressing gently with a spatula. Flip carefully to achieve an even golden crust. 5. Serve hot. Slice the sandwich diagonally for that classic look and serve with tomato soup, salad, or simply enjoy on its own. Pro tips for a royal finish: use a mix of cheeses for depth of flavor and gooey texture. Don't rush. Low and slow cooking ensures the cheese melts perfectly while the bread crisps. Experiment with fillings. Fresh herbs, roasted vegetables, or even a fried egg can make it unique. Why subscribe to the Royal Plate? At the Royal Plate, we're passionate about turning simple recipes into gourmet delights. Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and royal recipes that bring elegance to your table. Let us know in the comments how your gourmet grilled cheese turned out. And don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos.